skin is supposed to be damp, so we're gonna try it with the Tower 28 because that's what I got right now. I added the concentrate up to here and then the water, and we have the large tip on. There we go. Until the stuff starts coming out. You're supposed to keep it up and down. There. You hear it? And then dividing your face down the middle, go out, go up. Nose and chin might need the smaller one. And then don't do it around your eyes. On taut skin, redness may occur. Don't leave it too long on one spot. Okay, and so far, that's the dirty, and that's the clean, so we must be pulling stuff. When you're done, you can use your normal serums and moisturizer. That's what I've got. I mean, not bad. I'm not seeing any goops floating around, which is good. I'm gonna go get the smaller nozzle and change it out. So I popped off, and there's a little tab that goes up towards the top. So this is the smaller nozzle. That's for nose and chin. I'm gonna call this the Sucky Uppy Vacuum. Okay, so that's the dirty. And you can see the difference between the clean and the dirty. So even if you say, well, it's just oxygenated, I don't know, it looks kind of gross to me. But I still have some. So I want to look at myself in the mirror here. I'm going to dump out the dirty, and I'm going to try to do one more pass over. It's like a Bissell for your face because it has the 2 tanks. I didn't see anything that you don't do it on your lips, so we're back to the small nozzle. Because Sephora offers the HydraFacial on the lips. And as dry as mine are, yay EDS. And I'm done. I used up the whole freshwater tank with the cleanser in it, and that is what's remaining. That's the dirty that I have to go dump. And this is my face, all HydraFacialed.